We just barely got on Cloudview Truck Trail in San Bernardino County and just check that out. There's the arrowhead, and there's Cade. And Jason trying to figure out his maps.
Oh, I didn't disconnect the
Sway bar?
We should be fine. This starts getting too crazy.
It does seem pretty easy.
I was trying to find, like, where's my work at? It's like somewhere like that. It's past that. Follow the freeway. The airport's right there, right?
I don't know, babe. I'm trying to pay attention to the road.
I am too.
No, you're not.
I don't know why you think I'm not paying attention.
Okay, look how you were looking right now, and you guys tell me if Jason's paying attention to the road. He's trying to find his work way down there below.
I'm using the force, okay? I'm
okay.
Good in the force. Look at this, babe.
Okay.
Want to slide
Okay,
down?
Jedi.
Want to slide down?
Oh my gosh, no, don't say that.
No, on our butts, not in the Jeep.
Guys, fun fact, I'm actually afraid of heights. Like a lot. So this is like a huge milestone for me being up here with Jason not looking at the road. And if you could see, it's literally like only one rig could fit on here. It would be really hard if someone else was coming down to move out of the way. It would be possible, but it would be difficult, I think. Right?
Yeah, who has the right of way? The person going uphill or the person going downhill?
I'm gonna let you guys answer that because I always get it wrong. Because I was taught one way and now apparently times have changed. Just saying, okay?
We'll just leave that open.
Yeah, open for discussion, I guess. Okay, so I've lived up here all my life and I didn't know that was the KCAL radio tower. Did you know that?
No, so don't go up.
Well, we could if you want, but I think it just goes to the tower. I think if we go down that way, that's continuing on to the trail. But, I mean, it doesn't hurt to look, right? But I was right. It took us up to the radio tower. You can't see because of our weird back windows, but that's the radio tower there. See? That's the KCAL radio tower. Never knew it was even KCAL.
Not straight.
Please no. He's trying to kill us, guys. I mean, we can go to San Bernardino if you want to, but let's take it the normal way.
The road less traveled.
This is so crazy to me. Because I've always wanted, since I was little, always wanted to come up here. And then I meet this dude. And here we are years later on the trail. I never even really knew it was like a trail. Not a rattlesnake?
No. It's too cold right now. Oh no,
Yeah, this is crazy.
It's a bird.
A bird?
Yeah.
Mountain man. That's crazy. So, All Trails has this trail rated as a black trail, and it's really not that hard. I think the only reason why it might be like a little sketchy is just because it's like one like rig only. So like right here, there's areas where you can pull over, but I mean if you're coming down like on this area, like there's really no way two people are gonna get by through there. So, but I mean for the most part it's a pretty easy trail. The drops are kind of sketchy. I don't know if you guys can see from here. At least they're sketchy for me because I'm afraid of heights, but like if you can see, it just kind of, that's like 1,000 feet drops for sure. Hundreds, thousands, whatever. Like we're pretty high up. That's the 18. So yeah. But I don't know, dude. You wouldn't rate this as a black trail, would you?
No. Not this part at least.
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah, even in the beginning, it says it's a green trail. Tell us where we're at.
The Marshall Paragliding Hang Gliding Launch.
So it says right here on maps, if you can see it.
Marshall Paragliding / Hang Gliding Launch.
Yeah, and then...
So this is where the crazy people go, the jump.
Which Jason would be one of them.
Yeah, I would.
He's really crazy. See, so there's like this in there. Oh, and this has like... not a rope, but kind of, right?
I want to go hang gliding one day.
There's more over there. There's an orange one.
Yeah, just little straps. Hooked up the chains. Maybe we'll come back up here and we'll see some hang gliders.
Yeah, and check them out and see what they do. It's pretty cool. Dork. Okay, the GoPro died. I have to get the other battery, but this is all the way at the end. There's, if anyone's interested in hang gliding or paragliding, there's the website. There's a little torn up flag.
It's chilly.
It is cold up here, like surprisingly cold, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, that's stupid 'cause it's cold up here anyway, but more than I think we felt all morning. No. So this is crazy. Jason just found this. What do you think they do?
They run and jump.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at how crazy. And then it just drops and they jump. That makes sense why that little flag is down there. That's pretty crazy. Scratched up is like with bushes, because there's some
narrow spots.
Yeah, like pretty narrow. There was one area where we decided like just to not go on because it was
special.
Yeah, not only was it
just spiky bushes, basically,
like maybe Dr. Grant could have fit through it, but he still would have gotten scratched up, and he's a lot narrow. He's a, oh my gosh.
Take two,
cut. No, he's a lot more narrow than Cade. So yeah, but that's the only thing. Like these kind of guys, they're like spiky. And this area is not bad at all, but there's some areas where it was a close call. But I mean, we don't go out wheeling to scratch our Jeep, but it's also not, at least for me, a huge concern.
Yeah, I can buff that.
Yeah, so it's just like,
wearing a new paint job.
Meh, it happens. Cool. Guys, we just finished Cloudview Truck Trail, and it didn't take very long. It took, how long would you say?
An hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's okay. I mean, it's good for a nice little stroll. It's nothing, no obstacles or anything really.
Yeah, no obstacles, a lot of rocks. Like not huge rocks, but what'd you say earlier? Like baseball size rocks?
Yeah, baseball size rocks.
Yeah, shelf roads, not for those who are terribly afraid of heights.
Yeah.
If you can like manage it, then like me, I freaked out a little bit, but if you can manage it, like it's fine. You're not constantly on the shelf roads.
Yeah, no.
No, but no obstacles. The hang gliding, paragliding area was pretty cool.
Yeah, it'd be cool if there was paragliders there.
Yeah.
You probably watch them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway,
it's nice views.
Really nice views, and the name Cloudview did not disappoint because we're supposed to get rain, so there's definitely a lot of clouds out. So that was pretty cool because I'm a cloud lover. I love the sky. So
okay.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
You want to tell us what we're doing? That was like, I was all like slurred, like I've been drinking for 7 years.
I'm just drinking all night.
Do you want to tell us what you've been doing?
Plug this cable into this cable.